Hey guys, Tony here. So a lot of people were asking me why did Shiba token rise so much, and it's just because it got added to I think it's called the Heoki exchange. It just got added to another exchange really, and from when it was actually listed, it kind of traded sideways for like a bunch of days. But even if at earliest or at latest, you got in April, damn, that's actually relative. That's like not that long ago. So if you got in April 11th. So early April, if you got an April 11th, like at peak, it went up 812x. So it did an 81,000 increase from April 11th till now, and that's why you guys see this huge run up, because it actually just got added to that exchange. If you guys want to buy in, I strongly recommend you guys wait till it dips back to maybe like this little area right here, or probably, I think it might dip back to like around this little area. If I do add a position, it's probably not gonna be until then. But I do think it's probably gonna trail down back to a sell-off. But there's definitely a chance that it can definitely keep running towards the upside. But like I said, I would not 100% buy in right now. I definitely only buy in if it drops to like around these levels of like whatever this 0.0000270 whatever. I haven't done a full T on Shiba, but the reason that it actually dropped was because it got added to an exchange. Realistically, if someone was actually gonna like cash out, and they bought roughly like a month ago, I'd say that you would probably have made, especially where the price is right now. So we'll compare it to the price right now. I'd say that you roughly would have made, a 434x on your money. So if you invested $1,000, that would now be with $434,000. If it actually dips to where I think it's actually going to dip, we'll do one here. So it's going to dip around this level. I do think it's probably going to come down to like around this level, wherever this 0.0034 whatever is. I think there's a strong chance that you could possibly make like a 2x on your money, but only if it dips back to this place. I really doubt that it's going to dip all the way back down to previous lows. But like I said, highs, it did a 812x. If you guys were to sell now, it would probably do like a 440 something. And then if you guys were to buy back in where I think it's going to drop, where's this 0.00037 level, whatever, I do think that from here, if you buy here, you would only make about a 2x on your money. And at that point, I wouldn't really see the benefit of getting into Shiba at that point, because there's too much risk to the downside, right? At most, if it does run up again, it might be a 5x and it gets added to more exchanges. But the only way that I would buy in, this is definitely a meme coin, it would probably be around this level, the 0.00038, the 0.004 level or something. So, but yeah, the reason why it ran up is because it got added to that Heoki exchange or whatever. That's really it. I'll see you guys later.